Pakistan's former Prime Minister Imran Khan had an informal conversation with his lawyers and representatives of media at Adyala jail on Thursday. He reiterated that on May 9, 2023, Pakistan's military-backed regime deliberately withdrew military and police forces from their posts, set fires themselves, and deleted CCTV footage to falsely accuse PTI's political workers. And on November 26 last year, supporters and workers of Imran Khan's Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf were killed and injured, yet were labeled as terrorists. Imran Khan expressed solidarity with people of Balochistan and Dr. Maharang Baloch's movement for the recovery of missing persons. Mr. Khan said that the Baloch missing persons issue is extremely serious and the situation in the entire country is now the same as in Balochistan, where security forces abduct citizens and forcibly disappear them. Imran Khan has vowed to raise this issue at International Human Rights Forum. Imran Khan once again reminded overseas Pakistanis to stop sending foreign currency remittances to Pakistan as the state is, quote, complicit in the massacre of its own citizens, end quote. Standing as strong as a rock, Imran Khan maintains that he will be the last political prisoner to come out of jail after all his party leaders, workers, and supporters are released. On Thursday, he called off negotiations with the illegitimate Form 47 government after an illegal raid on the home of Sahibzada Hamid Raza, the spokesman of PTI's negotiation team, and the regime failed to set up independent judicial commissions to investigate the events of May 9, 2023 and the Islamabad massacre of November 26, 2024. The amendment to Pakistan's Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act has once again sparked significant debate. The hastily passed amendment suggests up to a 3-year jail sentence in addition to fines of 2 million rupees. The amendment also outlines the establishment of a Digital Rights Protection Authority, which will have the power to block or remove unlawful content and ensure compliance with regulatory guidelines. Journalists staged a walkout of the press gallery as the National Assembly passed the amendment bill. This proposed amendment is a move to further suppress dissent and stifle free speech, particularly online, by targeting dissenting voices, journalists, and activists. The law has been used by Pakistan's illicit regime, backed by the country's powerful military establishment, as a tool to control digital discourse and silence criticism. Pakistan's authoritarian regime has banned the use of the popular social media platform X since February 17th of last year in an effort to suppress reports of the blatant rigging of last year's general election. Following Wednesday's congressional briefing about the state of human rights violations in Pakistan, more U.S. lawmakers have taken to their social media accounts to raise their voices, demanding that Imran Khan, who has been arbitrarily detained for 539 days, be released. Ironically, shortly after the Pakistani military-backed regime's interior minister shared pictures of himself meeting Representative Joe Wilson, the latter posted, quote, "Free Imran Khan," end quote. In just 7 hours after the congressman's post was published, it had garnered 1 million views, 3,600 comments, 13,000 reposts, 26,000 likes, and over 6,000 new followers. Congressman Jack Bergman became the latest voice from the U.S. House of Representatives to join the call to free Imran Khan. In a post on X, he wrote, quote, "The facts are straightforward. It's no time to mince words. Free Imran Khan," end quote. General Jack, as he is known, was Lieutenant General in the U.S. Marine Corps, serves as co-chair of the Congressional Pakistan Caucus, and is a prominent member of the House Armed Service Committee, where he also chairs the Subcommittee on Intelligence and Special Operations. A federal judge has blocked President Donald Trump's executive order curtailing birthright citizenship, a constitutionally enshrined right granting automatic citizenship to anyone born in the United States. District Court Judge John Coffiner issued the temporary restraining order on Thursday in Seattle, Washington, preventing the government from implementing what he called a, quote, blatantly unconstitutional, end quote, measure. The executive order threatened to affect not just children born in the U.S. to undocumented parents, but also children of immigrants legally in the country. As many as 5 lawsuits have been filed against Trump's attack on birthright citizenship, encompassing officials from 22 states and several civil rights groups.